Hey y'all, welcome to episode 9 of Let's Get Organized. So I am in the canvas area of my studio. This is where I store ready to use canvas, so blank canvas, and some canvas where I've got things started. So you can see I've got canvases here that are already started, in progress, I guess we'll call it. But for the most part, all of this is blank canvas. And what it is stored in is, this is an antique armoire that was my husband's when he was a boy. And all we did was take the doors off so that I didn't have to fumble with the doors. It's got over here, I'm going to shift these canvases a little bit. It's got these great drawers. So I store, small canvases and little, little things in those drawers. And then in here is some sewing stuff. So, I'm not going to put that back. On top of it is where I've got knitting and crochet, yarn. These bins are filled with yarn, and you can see I've got, it's a little messy right now, but that's real life. And but so think outside the box for your storage. I can't remember, this piece of furniture has been in use in my studio for, golly, long time. We've been married for 33 years, and I think I took this out of our bedroom and started using it in my studio maybe 25 years ago. And it has served different purposes because it does have this. So for a time, I had paper hanging off of this when I had like a massive collection of paper, because this is where the clothes would hang back in the day. I did use it to, I like to hang loose papers on skirt hangers. And so I used it for that capacity. So do think outside the box. Can you have, like, is there an alternative way you can store something with something sentimental, a piece of furniture, whatever, and it works? Obviously, I've got to get busy painting because this is a lot of canvas sitting here that I've got to start filling up. So I hope this has given you some creative ideas of how you can store your canvas. Happy creating, y'all.